and welcome to this new Crypto Bros video. On this occasion presenting BNB Auto Farm, which has been audited by the company Solid Proof, as we can check in this smart contract audit report, as well as in this one audited by the company The Stamp. Let's explain this project, whose first pool has been launched today. You can find all the related links down below this video, and remember that we don't give any financial advice. So please do your own research as always before investing on this project or others. Well, what is BNB Auto Farm? Well, this project is an investment platform with which anyone making an initial investment will get different returns depending on the pool. If we click in this new button and we go to the BNB pools, here we can see that there are a total of 6 pools, but the first one is the only available to stake right now. Each 2 days from now on, next pool will be unlocked. As we can see in this first one, the daily return of investment is 4% plus another 1% only by staking our funds. That is, if we decide to invest 10 BNBs, for instance, we will receive 4% of 10.1 BNBs, and therefore 0.404 BNBs daily, or 12.12 BNBs after 1 month with this 120% return. That is 2.12 more BNBs than our initial investment. As mentioned here, we can withdraw profits at any time, but remember that the initial deposit itself cannot be taken back. We can also restake all our available earnings, and they will go to the last available pool. Well, and if we move on the next pools, we can check that the daily interest is 5% in the second pool daily. The third pool offers 6.5% daily, and we can also check these percentages, and probably we can see very here in the white paper. 6.5% daily the third pool, 8% daily the fourth pool, and the fifth pool is 10% daily, and finally we've got a 15% daily in the sixth pool. By the way, we will also receive an airdrop of BAF, which are the tokens, this token utility of the project. And if we go back to the menu and we click this button here, BAF, BAF token, we can read that these native tokens can be claimed after depositing and stake into BAF pool with a stable APY of 1095%, and they can be unstaked at any time without fee and be sold with 1-to-1 proportion, as we can check here. And here are the interfaces of these native tokens. Obviously, this project is built on the Binance Smart Chain. So first of all, it is very important that we change the network in our MetaMask or other wallet that we use to connect this platform in order to be able to invest. The minimum deposit is 0.01 BNBs, and we can also invest VUSDs in a special pool that we can find again by clicking here, VUSD pool. Here we are. As these BUSDs, which are stable cryptocurrencies pegged to dollar, can be previously bought in platforms such as Binance. For instance, it's necessary to have them in our wallets. In the same way that if we decided to invest BNBs, indeed, we need to have an active BNB pool to deposit in this particular pool, which is replenished, as it's mentioned here, with 2.5% from each withdrawal in BNBs, 10% from each lottery round, 2.5% from each referral reward, and 0.5% from each deposit to the contract. Let's explain now what the lottery and then what the referral programs are. We can take part in the lottery at any time, clicking this button again, and taking into account that each draw takes 6 hours, as we can see in this interface, at 2.5% from each withdrawal, 2.5% from each withdrawal of the referral rewards, and 0.5 from each deposit to the contract go towards buying tickets. And finally, the winner will receive 80% of the total of the lottery pot. And as for the referral program, we can go by clicking this button in the menu again. We can get additional bonuses, as we can read here, by inviting people to the platform and earn through the referral program up to 10 levels deep, as we can check here. These are the referral levels. So the reward that we refer depends on the partner's level and the interest rate according to this table. So we can earn up, if we add these different levels, up to more than 11%. And that's all for now. A project that has been launched today, and it's very interesting to bear in mind. There are gonna be more incredible features to come related to NFTs through some collectibles pretty soon. And that's all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment this video, and see you in the next one. Thanks.